know. Why? Cause I don't even know. Ansem the B-boy, you ain't even gotta ask that. Why? You ain't even gotta ask that. Why? You ain't even gotta ask that. Yo, listen up. You ain't even gotta ask. Go and kiss the everybody spitting up the trash, following the mass. Ignorant, you got no class, yet you got the cash. Effing up the money from advance. Now you lost a chance. Introducing first name Lance, also known as Insane Man to the second power. About to shower, rap dance with a water bottle, turning you sour, make you wanna hate the man of the minute of the hour. You ain't even gotta bite what I gotta write. Configure my brain so tripe. Everyone I dislike, I ain't even gotta fight. Though they wanna fight me, no overreact for Radar Robin Rudy. You ain't even gotta ask. You been a church boy? Tell me the church boy. I'm putting on my building block. You still on first, boy? Scared of the truth? Go get your guns because it hurts, boy. You ain't even gotta ask that. What? You ain't even gotta ask that. Why? You ain't even gotta ask that. You ain't even gotta ask that. Now sing along. It's A. TB in here. It's A. TB in here. It's A. TB in here. Ansem the B-boy. ATB. You ain't even gotta ask what you doing here. Talking about he ain't doing nothing, boy. He just here with his friends. He heard it, yeah, but he ain't messing with ya. We throwing rumors in the air. Going to get ya. Did ya do this with ya? Move away, chick. Go chew on a that ain't mine. You better off give it a grind, cause you suck the lamest off for the quarter or a dime. You ain't even gotta ask who we did it. Well, yes, I did it. I'm laughing. They're noble-ishing from actions to rapping. I'd rather see a round of applause to clapping. You ain't even gotta ask what he's trying to accomplish. I'm trying to invest in my own brand of nonsense. Conscious people think I'm crazy now because I got a bad habit of thinking out loud. Why? You ain't even gotta ask that. Why? You ain't even gotta ask that. Why? You ain't even gotta ask that. We'll sing along. It's A. TB in here. It's A. TB in here. It's A. TB in here. It's Ansem the B-boy. ATB. You ain't even gotta ask. Is you really from the hood? It's what you need to do is ask why the government is no good. You ain't real nor trill. All lies. You ain't even gotta in order to get. You ain't even gotta in order to act stupid. You ain't gotta love. Go and slap Cupid. You ain't even gotta be on that grown ass stuff. I'm a grown man, boy. I'm hating button up. You ain't even gotta say no he didn't. Well, yes I did it. I'm laughing, hitting. It's no bullishins. Actions to rapping. I'd rather see a round of applause clapping. You ain't even gotta be a gangster to be a gangster, or a wankster to be a wankster, or a stranger to be a stranger, or a club banger to bump hard like a club banger. You ain't even gotta ask who the is this. You ain't even gotta ask who the this is. You ain't even gotta ask who the this is. You ain't. Well, you the rest. Why? You ain't even gotta ask that. Ansem the B-boy. Shout out to Short Bus alumni, Radar Ellis, Lyric Jones, Supreme Entertainment, Boston, North Carolina, all my people representing Georgia, DC, Indiana. It's A. TB in here. It's A. TB in here. It's A. TB in here. It's Ansem the B-boy. ATB. It's A. TB in here. It's A. TB in here. It's A. TB in here. It's Ansem the B-boy. ATB. I'm out. Thanks, y'all.